Alpine Stitch video, I'm going to be using the Bernat Baby Blanket Dappled, and this is the shade Ever After Pink. So it's nice soft pink shade. I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. And I have an 8mm hook, which is recommended. Normally I go down in a size, but this time I thought I would just stay where I'm supposed to be. So to start, we're gonna do a foundation row, and I really want to start with this pink. So let's see if I can get it out from the center. Okay, whoopsies. And we're gonna start by doing a slip knot. So I'm just gonna twist this, and I do want to have enough so I can weave it in. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a tail. So I'm gonna put it around 2 of my fingers, turn, grab it, and pull. And now we have a slip knot. We're gonna insert our hook, and now we're gonna chain. And you wanna have an even number of chains. So I'm gonna count, I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna count. Make sure you count and have an even number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So now that I have 60, all right, for our first row, we're just going to do a row of single crochet starting at the second from the hook. So we're going to skip this first stitch and we're going to go into the second, and we're just going to single crochet. All right, so keep going and then meet me at the end. All right, we are about to be at the very end. I'm still single crocheting, and I think I have 1 stitch left, 1 chain left. So single crochet your last chain. Now you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. And now we're going to do double crochets in all of the stitches we just did. All right, so to do a double crochet, you're just going to yarn over 1 time. We're going to go into that next stitch right here. Go in. Now we have 3 loops in our hook. We're going to yarn over. So we're going to go through the first 2. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. We're going to yarn over and go through those 2. We're going to do that. We're going to repeat that for every stitch that we have on from our single crochet row. Go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over. So it's going to look something like this. All right, so just keep going and meet me at the end. I am on my last stitch. I'm gonna do the double crochet in that last stitch. Now I'm just gonna chain one and I'm gonna turn my work. And now we're just gonna work a single crochet in the top, and that will be our row 3. And again, a single crochet. All right, so just continue that all the way down and meet me back at the end so we can finish row 3 and start row 4. All right, and I'm almost at the very end. So now I am going to chain 2, turn my work. And now we're going to be working into this very first double crochet that we did. We're going to be going around it. So we're going to be doing a double crochet around it. So I'm going to yarn over. So I'm not going around this first one. I'm going to go under the second one, grab onto my yarn, pull it through, and I'm going to lift up just a little bit with my hook. Yarn over, go through 2 loops just like I normally would for a double crochet, and go through 2 more. This is where we went around. We're going to skip this one and we're going to double crochet into this next one. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to do another alpine around this one. So we're skipping every other double crochet post. And remember to pull up. So I'm going to go through 2. I have 2, yarn over, go through the next 2. All right. Yarn over, we're going to go into this stitch right here, and we're going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, we're going to skip this one, and we're going to go around this next one. Don't forget to pull up. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, we're going to go into this stitch right here. All right, now we're going to work around this one right here. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So it's starting to look like this. Wait. We're going to yarn over. right, go ahead and meet me when you get to the end. All right, we're almost to the end, and I'm actually going to double crochet this one, and I am going to double crochet the next one. All right, and now I'm gonna single crochet one, and I'm gonna turn my work so the back of it's gonna look like this. For the rest of this project, it's just going to be a really easy 2-row repeat with rows 5 and 6. So you're going to be doing a single crochet, alpine, single crochet, alpine until you have reached the length that you want for your blanket. All right, now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to be working the alpine stitch again and doing a double crochet just like we did when we did the Alpine Stitch. So I'm going to start, I have it right there. I'm going to go around this double crochet. Alright, now I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to insert my hook at that next one where there, and now we're going to go around this post. So we're going to leave all the ones that we originally went through, and we're going to pick up all the ones we did not go through. So you can really start to see it coming together now. All right, so go ahead and keep going, and you're going to meet me at the end. And when you get to the next row, you're going to do a single crochet, a row going back this way of single crochet, and then we're going to do the alpine again, and this time you will be picking up the ones behind here. And you're just going to continue doing that until you are finished with your piece.